These nails are staying 6 months, half of the year. It's impossible, but it's real. Just because Andrew Teddy Bear works perfectly with high quality products. And in this video, I will show you how we do that. A lot of people arguing about it with me that it's impossible to make nails, to do nails, to make them stay for a long time without liftings. I assure you guys that everything depends on how you prepare the nail plate, what kind of products do you use for applying extensions of gel nails. The first reason why our nails are staying for so long, just because we are removing the pterygia to the limit. We are using the professional gel primer, and we also place hands with the gel primer and LED lamp in 30 seconds to make the product be penetrated into the depth of the nail plate. After replacing the layer of the base gel, no matter what kind of sculpting mix gel you use for the base cut, the matter is the thickness or thickness of the layer. The layer should be maximum thin and properly cured in 1 minute in powerful LED lamp 48 watts. Now you see Andrew Teddy Bear is applying the base layer. He's using the clear sculpting mix gel. It's perfect for applying the base layer. After Andrew is placing the form, he's applying extensions of gel nails. He's the best in doing long square-shaped nails. Now you can see all the secrets how he does this fantastic work. It's unusual for many nail masters how he's placing the nail form. But guys, I assure you that this is the perfect way, and we can easily and quickly sculpt square-shaped nails. Then he's applying the layer of the sculpting mix gel. By the way, we're mixing sculpting mix gel with the clear gel, but very soon, guys, on shapeofnail.com there will be in stock the already mixed product, so you can order it in a month. But if you want to use the same gel as Andrew uses, you should mix half and half, the clear sculpting mix gel and the camouflage sculpting mix gel. In this case, this product will be great for working. As you can see, Andrew is applying in seconds. It's very easy for him. He has trained his hand and the gel never puts in cuticles. And if it happens, Andrew uses the control bit and he can quickly remove the floated gel, but it's very rare situation. Andrew has applied the sculpting mix gel, and you can see that there are no bulky, thick areas. The barrel drill bit from shapeofnail.com helps him to remove the length. Don't forget to compare nails. The pinky nail should be shorter than other nails. That's why Andrew doesn't compare the pinky nail with the other nails, but he always compares pinky nails from the one hand to the other hand. But all the rest of nails should has the same length. And the barrel drill bit works with this gel like with the butter, like the knife with the butter, because it's very quickly, and you know, I think that this one is the best for such works. If you try it, you will see that this is the game changer. The special coffee style nail file helps him to work effectively and safely for the client. and never cuts the skin of the client. You can watch hundreds of videos and Andrew never cuts the side walls, pads of the client finger. It's impossible to cut the skin with this file. And Andrew is working with the already scored off file, the individual file of the client, just because it's very easy to shape, because the nail has no bulky areas with overflowed gel, overplaced gel. There are no large thick areas, so it's very easy to shape this product. And we should shape it like the tube, rounded, make nail rounded like this. Compare the thumbnail from the left hand to the thumb of the right hand, and they completely the same length, has the same length, the same shape. All nails have the stress zone. They will be protected from liftings and breakings. They will never break on the center. The next part of the work, this is the hardware manicure, Russian style hardware manicure. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't use nippers. We should use high quality nippers of the brand Stalex or Metallex. But you shouldn't work with nippers fanatically, like many nail masters used to do, because it causes cuts, sometimes inflammations. You should just cut some remaining large pieces of cuticles. Don't do it fanatically. And we should slightly work with the mushroom diamond drill bit on the first phase of our work and on the last phases of our work. In the end, we should make nails thinner. In every set of nails, Andrew does the same. As a robot, he does the same work, but the nail designs are always different and exclusive. You know, guys, now it's fashionable, it's in trend to create such stylish and soft nail designs using 2 or 3 colors, using some stickers or slider designs and some paintings to combine them together. If you like this design, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel, and you will make more videos for you guys and you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye!